at the cocoa market. Now, as far as our bearish wave count, it's holding together quite nicely. As you know, we're looking at a 1-2-1-2 off the high here that occurred back in May. So we have a 1, and this is a running flat 2. Then we have another 1, and then this is actually an expanded flat 2. We saw this wave C of 2 push up to pretty much key resistance and reverse from that level. So that's good so far. But we do need to get more weakness involved in price action as we trade into early August. And that would be the week of August 4th, and then ideally an acceleration lower, maybe a gap down at some point as we get into the week of the 11th and then subsequently the week of the 18th. But bottom line, I do like the downside still very much in the cocoa market moving forward, but I am going to, for the time being, keep critical resistance set at 92.88. I think that is kind of the balance point in this market. As long as we stay under it, things are bearish, chart patterns are bearish. If we get above it, then that's going to bring in, say, a more bullish alternate wave count. But for the time being, again, I like what I see here. I just want to see some weakness as we trade into Thursday and Friday, and then ideally as we get into next week, certainly an acceleration lower. Now, a few things, or one thing that I would like to point out that I think is quite exciting is if we take a look at our daily candlestick price chart here, notice over the last few trading days we've seen actually 2 bearish engulfing patterns here. Now, we really haven't seen any kind of sell-off or weakness in this market as a result of these bearish engulfing patterns, but when I see patterns such as this kind of bunched up together like they are, I sometimes look at it as a way of the market actually telegraphing what it's actually going to do. Like, for example, we go back to the bearish engulfing pattern here we saw in June. Okay, well, it didn't give way immediately to weakness. Basically, we came down the next day, but then we kind of churned around here and kind of put in a 3 falling methods, which is nothing more than a continuation pattern, and then we started to move lower. So you can have, say, a reversal formation occur utilizing candlesticks, but it actually could take a couple of days before it becomes really engaged, and I think that's going to be the case here. So again, really I'm going to be looking for the fireworks in the cocoa market either to begin either late this week, Thursday or Friday, or certainly next week, the week of the 4th.